Hello friends, this is Dr. Munjal Pandya from MedicalMCQ4All.com. Today I am going to give you the short overview how to subscribe the 1 month subscription online. So this is our homepage MedicalMCQ4All.com. This is our WhatsApp and mobile number contact detail for any further assistance or help. I will going to guide you how to subscribe 1 month of subscription. If you can see here, this is our main home page, and on our main home page you need to put your cursor on study material. You will see the three options. If you want to purchase book, you just click this button. If you want to subscribe the coaching, right, 20 hours, 30 hours or 40 hours, you click the uh, related buttons. And if you want to subscribe our various packages, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, Oman Viva subscription, short MCQ and Prometric WhatsApp MCQ subscription. So today I'm going to give you idea about the one subscription, that is Prometric MCQ 1 month subscription. So this Prometric 1 month MCQ subscription, right? So first you select study material. On study material package, on package you select the Prometric MCQ 1 month subscription. After selecting it, you will going to see these pages. On this page, right, all the details are given for Prometric 1 month subscription. The cost of the 1 month subscription is a 50 US dollar, right? You need not to pay in a US dollar. This system, our system will automatically convert this US dollar in your local currency. So you need not to buy in US dollar. So after seeing this page, there is a one button here, buy this package. So click on the buy this package, right? Go to the cart. So once you go to the cart, you will see the same picture on your screen, right? Here you can see whatever the product you have selected here, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. You can see here. So we selected Prometric MCQ 1 month subscription. So it's a 50 US dollar. If you want to, change your product from 1 month to 3 months, you delete here and you again go back and enter the 3 month subscription. So once you are happy with the 1 month subscription, then click here to confirm above order. So this order, if you want to confirm, you click here and confirm the order. So once you confirm the order, you will going to see same page on your screen, right, where all the details given, right? So let me tell you one by one. So you need to add your name, right? You need to add your name. You need to add your last name. You need to add your number, right? You need to add your email ID, right? So this is our email ID. The password you need to enter as per your wish, right? You have to again confirm the password, right? After that, there is one option, right, WhatsApp number. So we will going to send you the updates on WhatsApp number. So say for example, I am sitting in India now, so I am selecting the country India, right? So and I am entering my WhatsApp number. So whatever the WhatsApp number you enter your details, right, of your residence and all, right? You entered your city name, you entered your state, you entered your PO box number, and you and select your country. So your country, my country is India now, so I selected the country. So once you fill up the complete detail, this star in the red star is a mandatory field. You must have to fill this mandatory field, otherwise you cannot go and place the order. So once you fill up the all red star details, right, this is complete, then we will place a order. So on the placing the order, you will going to see such, they will direct you now to the payment gateway. And in payment gateway, we have several payment options, like you can pay through the credit card and debit card. You can pay through the wallet like Amazon Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, and there are many more. You can pay through the net banking. You can pay through UPI. You can pay through Paytm, and you can pay through Google Pay as well, right? So I am going to select here a Google Pay, right? So in Google Pay, right, let me go to the card, because most of the clientage is using the card. So I'm going to give you the idea about the card, right? So I will enter the name, right, for the card, whatever. So transaction is in process. Just wait for a few seconds. So once you done the payment, right, then you will see this page. So whatever the user ID or email ID you entered at the time of registration, say for example I entered MedicalMCQ4All.com, right, MedicalMCQ for all at the rate gmail.com. That was my login ID or user ID, and whatever the password I entered, right, I need to enter the password same. Then I will go into the site, right? So I will, right, so you can see here, now you entered in the site, and you can see all this icon: practice MCQ, mock test, read your favorite MCQ, your profile, communicating with us, my subscription, and review points. And this is the practice MCQ. So you click the practice MCQ, click, right, you see the same page on your screen. You click here start reading MCQ, so you click here start reading MCQ. You can see all the MCQ subject wise: cardiology, CPR, dermatology, and there are all clinical subject. So what is needed to crack your exam, it is all given here. We will make a special video how to use this all step by step. So this is the things how you can use the 1 month MCQ subscriptions and how you pay. So once your payment is successful, and as I shown you, these are the subject. Now sometimes you need to see your payment receipt as well for your record purpose and for accounting purpose. So you go to the slot my account, and in my account, if you can see here, there is a my subscription, right? So in my subscription there are two things: my subscription, what is your package and everything, it is given here, and below, just below that, is a payment receipt. So if you click that payment receipt, you will see your details. Like I have shown you, this is your transaction ID, on what date and time you subscribe the subscription, payment through which mode. If you are in India, it's PayUmoney. If you are out of India, then it is PayPal. This is the amount, $50 equivalent to the rupees or your current currency. It is successful, and you can download your receipt as well. So this is the receipt of your payment. So it's all details given. I entered my details, so it is my receipt, right? The whatever the subscription, Prometric MCQ 1 month subscription, right, the price, and this is subtotal, everything is given here. All the payment details are also given here, right? So you can take a printout as well from your printer. Thank you very much for your attention, and we'll see you with the next video. Thank you.